What's going on, everybody? Back at you again. So what I'm going to be doing today is putting my mid pipe on. So far I've gotten the first bolt off. I just wanted to see if I get those bolts off because it was a pain. But it's just I've noticed, like, when they worked on my transmission, I know they had to disconnect the mid pipe. So I thought it would be a little bit easier to get the screws off. Apparently it's a little bit more work. One of the bolts just don't want to come off at all. So as you can take a look. So yeah, I don't know if you can see that. This bolt right here, it does not want to come out. It keeps stripping, and it's aggravating. But I did get the other one loose and this one loose. So I'll show you my test pipes. And these are my new pipes. Oh, it's so beautiful. It tells me with high quality. Let me put it with one hand. So you see, very well welded. Looks really good. When it gets here, very nice indeed. As you see, all right here. Like I'm really excited about it. Ready to put this on to see how it's gonna sound. So hopefully we can get this on before I go to work. So I'm trying to do all this in a good amount of time. All right. So I had to run to the store. Apparently I couldn't get the bolt off, that nut off. It was horrible. I just kept trying, and to the point where I stripped it pretty good. So when I went there, I didn't realize I was trying to find. I was gonna solder it off or something, find something to cut it. Like I just couldn't do it anymore. So I came across this, which it is a nut splitting tool. So it seems very easy, as you can see on the back. Let's try to get this cut. I just don't want it anymore. Who cares? I can replace it. Just that one last nut won't come off the car, like, for me to finish. So let's get back to that house and hopefully we can just finish. All right. Alright, what's up, guys? It is currently like 3:16 in the morning. It took me majority of the night. I haven't got no sleep to get this thing off. Finally, I got it off. This is what it looks like. Since that bolt had come off, I had to try to, kind of grind it down. Finally, towards the end, it came off. So you see the whole thing. And here's the new ISR pipe. As you can see, you really can't see anything in there, but alright, so let's go ahead and get started and get this all connected. Back the car out of the garage, put my wife's car back in the garage, and go to bed and get a first start. Alright. Alright, what's going on, everybody? Today's currently the next day. Well, somewhat of the next day. Anyways, after installing the mid pipe on my car, I didn't go to bed till like 4:30 in the morning. Woke back up at 8 and just been tired since then. But the car sounds really good. I'll give y'all guys a quick clip of the sound and tell me what you think. So here it is.
right, everybody. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the like button below, which is the same thing. Thumbs up, like button. Subscribe to the channel. And again, if you're new to the channel, my name is Chris. And thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoy. I'll be having another video up next week. And stay tuned. All right, deuces.